In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to add a Meshcentral agent to a remote computer to be able to manage it through my Meshcentral console here. So I'm currently logged into my Meshcentral. I actually have another Raspberry Pi that I'd like to add to this console. So I'm actually going to click on Add Agent. I'm going to choose my operating system of Linux. I'm going to copy the command line. I have already connected to my Raspberry Pi through SSH, and I can show you that my host name is Raspberry Pi 2. I do not have that in my Meshcentral currently. Going to paste my command that I've received from Meshcentral and hit enter. This is going to download the agent, install it as a service, and then start the service up on my Raspberry Pi. Installing the service. Service has been started, and you'll notice in my Meshcentral, I now have Raspberry Pi 2. Now, if I want, I can click on it, go to my desktop and connect. And I'm now connected to my Raspberry Pi 2 through Meshcentral. Thank you for watching.